Yep, bafethu sanibonani sanibonani. Please like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. You won't lose a time. Bafethu. Yeah. Umjida uTrezo badlala no Hakim Ziyech. Hakim Ziyech has joined Wydad Casablanca on a free market. He's back at home, bafethu. Our Lodge will be sharing the same dressing room as Hakim Ziyech. Champions League, CAF Champions League will be lit. It will be lit. Ziyech coming to Morocco. Yeah, man, will make other stars to actually come and retire in Africa, and they will learn that in Africa football is not easy as much as they thought it was easy. Like in Europe, football is easy, bafethu. So Hakim Ziyech will experience the real football in Africa, not this thing of Europe playing for Chelsea. Yeah, Champions League, bafethu. Lodge should be teaming up against with Hakim Ziyech. Danko.